Guess what time it is? It is Easter grab box time from Michael's Craft Store. My girlfriend was just there. She called me and said, they've got grab boxes. Do you want me to get you any? By the time she could get up to the checkout to tell them that she wanted them, there were 4 left. So she grabbed 2 and she grabbed 2 for me. So we're going to open these up and find out what's inside. Not quite sure what they're going to have that was more Eastery. I'm hoping maybe there's somewhat of the spring stuff in here as well. So let's get going. Come on with me. We're going to have some fun. Move this one out of the way. I can see flowers in that one, so I'm all excited. All right, we have got some felt in just a few colors, kind of a little odd amount here. Like 6 or 7 different pieces. Of course, we can always use that. It's an Easter plaque that lights up. Oh, wow, look at that. So we'll have to figure out something to do with that. There's a little battery pack on the back. That's kind of cool. See if there's any more. No. But I see Elegant Writer. It is a speedball marker for calligraphy. That's kind of cool. Two measuring cups. These are plastic. Probably for like resin or something. Does come, measures up to 8 ounces. And there's 2 of those. Styrofoam blocks. 3 of them. Okay. Now, I can take these and slice them and use them in floral arrangements and things like that. So kind of excited about these because they actually are, these are very dense. And these would be perfect even for doing Christmas gifts for decoration and putting the bows on them. This is pretty nice. Kind of an odd box, but hold that thought. Well, there was someone at my door and my dog kept telling me it was very important and that I went up there. It was a box of paper towels from Amazon. Okay, as far as what was in these container or this box, I have no price tag on any of this. This was $14.99 regular price and no tags on anything else. So I'm definitely going to say it was worth its $10. Kind of a weird box. Let's see what we have in the other one. Looks like people were peeking in these. All right. Ooh. Potted plant. $19.99. It's actually in pretty good condition. Tulips. Easter stuff. Spring stuff. Welcome Spring. So it is a plaque that it has raised lettering on it, and this is all stamped in here so that you can paint that. That's kind of cool. It's in good shape. $14.99 regular price. Some little funny little Easter bunnies. $2.99. See a bunch of these. Creatology. These are Easter eggs, but they're chicks. How cute. Show you an up close of those. One. Oh, these are Easter bunnies. 3. Oh, wow. 6 chicks and bunnies. Chicks and chicks. $3 each. $18. And these are eggs. And they're the large plastic eggs. $4.99. And there's a pack of 6 of them, and they're all like marbleized. Oh, more bunnies. A pack of glitter Easter eggs for decoration, like maybe putting in a wreath or something. Those are real pretty. $4.99. These are really cute. Wooden Easter eggs. DIY wooden Easter eggs. Packet. These are $10. Wow. Another. Holy cow. 3. 4. Oh, here's a big pack. 5. 6. Looks like this one's broke. Open. 7. 8. Oh, and these open. These are fillable. Not those, but these are. Can see that. Wow. And these were each $10 as well. And it looks like there's another set in here of the wooden eggs that are, the container's not in here. So, all right, let's call that one. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 115, 130, 133, 143, 153, 163, and let's call it 175. Not bad. Kind of a strange assortment of things, but between that and I have no idea what to estimate on some of that stuff, we at least got our money back on there. So let's call it an even $200. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with them. So I can't wait to find out what my girlfriend got in her boxes. So thanks for stopping in. I'm going to start making a few things with these, or whatever I'm not making right now, I'm going to get stored. So until next time, thanks for stopping in. Bye now. with me. We're going to have some fun.